Today we're going to do some math. Before we start, I have a question for you. Can a square get an answer in your brain? And keep it in there because we're going to find out by the end of the video. Right here in my square. And we also last week talked about defining and non-defining attributes. Now we're going to study the rectangle. What are some things to have to be a rectangle? If you look at the bottom of my screen there, I'm going to type one defining attribute I know about rectangles. Rectangles have to have 4 sides. Rectangles also have to have 4 vertices. Remember, vertices are corners. So right here is one vertice. And I also know that all rectangles are polygons. We learned with Moby and Annie last week that a polygon is a closed, flat shape with 3 or more sides that meet at the vertices. And we also know about rectangles that they have 4 square corners. Those are the things a shape has to have in order for it to be considered a rectangle. Class, what could a rectangle have but doesn't have to have? Look at my rectangles at the top. They could be different colors. They could be different sizes. You look at my rectangles at the top, I have tall rectangles, I have thin rectangles, I also have orange, I have blue, light blue. They could be different patterns. If you look at my rectangles at the top again, up here I have a rectangle that has a green pattern on it. The rectangles could also be turned in a different angles. Up here are facing vertically. Some of them, like this one and this one over here, have been flipped horizontally. So those are the things that your shapes could have, but don't have to have. Remember, I could draw a triangle with the same pattern. That doesn't make it a rectangle, and it doesn't make my rectangle a triangle, just because they're the same color. But in order for it to be a rectangle, it has to have 4 sides, 4 vertices. They have to be polygons, and it has to have 4 corners. Let's look at the square up here at the top. Does this square, I'm going to pull it down here. Does this square have 4 sides? Yes. Does it have 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Is the square a polygon? Remember, a polygon is a closed, flat shape with 3 or more straight sides only meeting at their vertices. We know these are vertices. Yes, it's a polygon. And does the square have 4 corners? So, first grade, if you answered yes, a square can be a rectangle, you were correct.